You know, it all just seems really complicated. I'm questioning whether or not you got enough time to bring it all together.
Round one is all about a great classic dish that perhaps surprisingly has a 700-year history. My own personal handwritten family recipe dates back to 1765. Its modern incarnation was a staple in the Great Depression. And I think, along with fried chicken, it's become a symbol of the rebirth of great American cuisine. It's creamy, crispy decadence. Today, we want you to make the ultimate mac and cheese. Tamara, excited?
I'm excited, but I do have to say that before I learnt how to cook, my only food that I really ate was microwave mac and cheese.
The one in the blue box?
Yeah.
Anyone who says they haven't eaten that hasn't lived.
What is that?
I have never eaten it.
I've
never eaten it. You've never lived? Not, have you eaten it?
You top chefs, you don't know. Ben, what about you?
Oh, too many carbs. To be honest, I haven't really eaten too much of it, so yeah, we'll see how I go.
I just want to clarify, I do eat carbs, just not heaps of them.
I think I'm happy about mac and cheese. Come on, guys. Mac and cheese is a dish that I love to eat, so, you know, hopefully I can make a cracking one today. Ooh.
Interesting choice.
I'm not going to waste this opportunity, and I just am trying to have some fun in the kitchen. So today I'm going to make a supersized chili mac and cheese. Let's go, Tamara.
I really don't have a clear idea of what I'm going to do today. But I'm going to fight as hard as I can because I really want that pin today. I can't say mac and cheese is really a staple for me, so I'm going to try to strike up something yummy.
To give myself the best shot at cooking the second round of immunity today, I'm going to have to put my own twist on it and just make it delicious. It's got to emulate a traditional mac and cheese, but my own little spin.
Good work, Samuel.
Instead of a standard bechamel today, I'm going to do a cauliflower puree. I guess this is my healthier version of a mac and cheese. I want to do sort of like a mac and cheese bake. I want to keep it simple, hopefully a little bit lighter. I don't like the thought of just overloading it with cheese and stodginess, so I'm hoping the cauliflower offer that slightly lighter alternative.
I don't eat a lot of mac and cheese, but I know people love it, and for good reason. It's creamy, it's crunchy, it's, yeah, it's indulgent, so I'm trying to emulate that with a few different ingredients today.
35 minutes to go, Tam.
I'm absolutely crazy about chili, and, you know, chili and cheese is a classic and brilliant combination in my mind. I'm being inspired by chung fan, which is a Hong Kong-style dish, which is the long rice noodles. So I'm choosing the cannelloni pasta today, the really long tubes. I'm going to make sure I have lots of, you know, creamy and crunchy textures in there.
Make it, bake it, any way you shake it, just bring us a delicious mac and cheese. 30 minutes to go.
I take my parmesan crisp out of the oven. It looks beautiful and golden.
Oh, I can smell Tam's parmesan.
Loving that. What's this? What are you doing?
Oh, some crispy, crunchy bits, salty.
Yeah, love it. So
and...
parmesan sort of wafers?
Yep.
Great idea.
Little parmesan crisps. I'm working on a cheese sauce, but it's kind of like a chili mac and cheese, but I'm kind of inspired by chung fan, which is like the Chinese-style dish, long rice noodle rolls.
Right.
So that's why I picked the long pasta. So it's like super-sized mac and cheese.
Love it. Don't mind it. Super-size us. That's great. Mate, we all went, he's got the water bath out. What are you doing? It's a 45-minute challenge.
No, I know. I'm just going to quickly do a soft-poached egg yolk, just add a bit of creaminess. It's just going to sit on top. So I'm doing chicken and leek, and sort of make like a bit of velouté out of it, make like a bit of a stock there. Mix that through the pasta with a bit of the cheeses, and then just finish it with the egg yolk on top.
You know, it all just seems really complicated. I'm questioning whether or not you got enough time to bring it all together.
got a 1 in 3 shot of getting into the next round and cooking against the chef. I want to be there so bad. I've got to nail this dish.
Go, Samuel.
This is a totally new dish for me, so it's a little bit of a risk. Undercooking the pasta and hoping that it cooks in the oven. I won't even know if it is cooked until the judges taste it.
I really want to make this look like the Hong Kong style dish that I've been inspired by, and I want it to look beautiful on the plate.
Out of the oven! Come on, Samuel!
No time to waste, 2 minutes to go. Come on.
I grab the pasta out of the oven. I pop it into a small bowl.
Come on, Ben.
Egg yolk sits on top, and I've just started to add shards of crispy chicken skin.
Get that chicken skin on, Ben. Come on, Samuel, let's go.
I'm using every single minute of this 45-minute cook to get this pasta cooked through. I don't want a chewy pasta.
Come on, Samuel.
Get it out the oven! Out the oven!
I need every second I got in there.
Seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Your time's up.
Well done, guys!
Okay, big dog.
Oh, it looks really good. Well done.
Wow, a fast and furious cook in round 1 to test your mettle, and we're hoping we're going to get 3 brilliant versions of mac and cheese. I'm getting a little hungry. But remember what's at stake. You want to get into round 2 to win that immunity pin. So, first up to taste, Tamara. So, Tamara, what have you cooked?
I've cooked a super-sized chili mac and cheese. The presentation is kind of inspired by chong fan, which is a rice noodle dish from Hong Kong.
It's a great idea. Come on, let's taste.
It's actually a really nice dish. I quite like the combination of the flavours.
Thank you.
You know, we wanted creamy, and you certainly delivered that massive cheese in that bechamel. That idea of wanting to reference a Chinese dish in terms of pairing chili and pork is a great combination. I think it's playful, I think it's mouth-watering, I think it has all the stuff we want in mac and cheese in terms of creaminess and crunchiness.
I love 99% of it. But to be honest, it's really chili sauce heavy.
Interesting, Tamara. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ben, you're next. Ben, what have you created?
I've done a chicken and leek mac and cheese with a softly poached egg yolk to emulsify it, and then also some crispy chicken skin.
Is it a mac and cheese or is it chicken carbonara? That would be my question. By having the egg yolk and dressing it, do you take it into carbonara? I know they're very similar.
Maybe we should mix it together.
The idea of chicken leek, asparagus, it makes sense, but it feels like a pasta dish. It needs to be a little lighter.
I'd love the sauce to be looser. I'd like it to be a little more cheesy to make me think straight away mac and cheese.
There's an idea there, but I think you could have been braver.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ben.
Interesting.
Samuel. Samuel, what's the dish?
This is my cauliflower and cheese macaroni bake with a little gremolata and poor man's parmesan on top.
How's that pasta cooked?
Hopefully perfectly. I underdid it a little bit in the boil and then finished it in the oven.
Look, I found myself going back for a second and third spoonful because it's predictable, it's familiar, it's a clever and nice way to cook, and I like that.
I think that you stuck to the brief really well, but still had that twist.
Yeah.
And I think you should be commended on that.
I love the crunch. I love the fact that when you're eating it, you're thinking silky, creamy dairy. And that cauliflower sauce in the liquidizer was brilliant. But that was a perfect texture right there. But you baked, and so it's left it a little bit thick for me.
Good stuff, Samuel.
Great, Samuel.
Well, that was a three-pronged mac attack, and I think all of you fulfilled the brief of bring us mac and cheese, but not as we know it. We've now got the tricky task of deciding which one of the three of you goes on to cook against the top chef with a pin on the line. We pick one dish. We'll pick Tamara's. Gee, you went out there, Tamara. We loved where you took the mac and cheese, and we loved the choice of pasta. We loved that cheese sauce. Samuel, we love the cauliflower deer. We love the gratinated top. It was just a little thick and heavy. And that was the difference, really, between who gets to compete against the top chef, who gets to wear the teeny-weeny chef's jacket.
Well done.
I'm really liking this attitude.
I think being dressed in these chef whites is giving me that extra little bit of confidence, and having those good cooks recently under my belt, I'm feeling as confident as I can going into this next round.